Hi, I am Wilbert. I am the hotel receptionist and I'm in charge to the following tasks. Manage guest bookings and reservations, welcoming guests, manage reservations, provide an outstanding guest experience, checking guests in and out, handling check-in and check-out procedures efficiently, maintain an orderly front desk, resolving complaints, verify guest payment methods, answer all guest questions, answer incoming calls, answering calls and inquiries, and facilitate correspondence with guests. Let's talk about the history of Conrad Manila Hotel. The Conrad brand was established in 1982 by Baron Hilton and named after his father. Hilton's founder, Conrad Hilton, who believed that meaningful hospitality has the power to transform personal journeys and make a positive impact, now and forever. In addition to its award-winning properties, the brand also features an expanding residential portfolio, combining sophisticated design, best-in-class amenities, and purposeful service in inspiring destinations. Next is hotel amenities. Free parking, concierge, luxury, pets not allowed, on-site restaurant, business center, room service, meeting rooms, smoke-free, spa, executive lounge, fitness center. Here are the products and services Conrad Manila Hotel offers. Room amenities, bathroom amenities, alcoholic beverages, free breakfast, special requests, front desk, airport transfer, full service laundry, wake-up calls, turn-down service, baggage storage, currency exchange, housekeeping. Conrad Manila Hotel offers different types of rooms. King 1 bedroom suite, city view, separate shower bathtub, 1 king bed, max 2 adults and 1 child. 1 child stay free. Next is Premier 1 bedroom suite. City view, separate shower bathtub, 1 king bed, max 2 adults, 2 children. Full view with king deluxe room, partial bay view. Shower, 1 king bed, max 2 adults, free internet. Full view, bay view king deluxe room. Shower, 1 king bed, max 2 adults and 1 child. Free internet bay view. Bayview King accessible deluxe room. Bayview shower, 1 king bed, max 2 adults and 1 children. 1 child stay free. Panorama Bayview with king deluxe room. Bayview shower, 1 king bed, max 2 adults, 1 child. 1 child stay free. King executive room, shower, city view, 1 king bed, max 2 adults and 1 child. 1 child stay free. Bayview King executive room, shower, city view, 1 king bed, max 2 adults and 1 children. 1 child stay free. Bayview King Premier Suite, Bayview separate shower bathtub, 1 king bed, max 2 adults. Bayview Diplomatic Suite, Bayview separate shower bathtub, 1 king bed, max 2 adults and 2 children. 2 children stay free. 2 bedroom Ambassador Suite, city view, separate shower bathtub, 2 king beds, max 2 adults. Bayview King 1 bedroom suite, Bayview 1 separate shower bathtub, 1 king bed. Full view with king deluxe room, partial Bayview. 12,499 pesos. Bayview King deluxe room, 12,799 pesos. Bayview King accessible deluxe room, 12,799 pesos. Panorama Bayview with king deluxe room, 14,599. King executive room, 16,899. Bayview King executive room, 7,399. King 1 bedroom suite, 22,819 pesos. Premier 1 bedroom suite, 23,899 pesos. Bayview King Premier Suite, 23,919 pesos. Bayview Diplomatic Suite, 29,819 pesos. 2-bedroom Ambassador Suite, 62,819. Bayview King with 1 bedroom, 62,819 pesos. Conrad Hotel spanning 5 continents with more than 40 properties. Conrad Hotels and Resorts creates a seamless connections between bold design, impactful experiences, and curated contemporary art to inspire the conscientious luxury traveler.